So our first theorems are going to be side, side, side. Now, this is different. We have a side, side, side similarity postulate. So y'all think about this for a second. What do I want my sides to be in similar figures? Proportional. When I was talking about congruent triangles, I wanted my sides to be congruent, right? So my side, side, side congruence postulate told me if I had 3 congruent sides, I had 2 congruent triangles, right? So now I'm going to have 3 proportional sides. So if I have proportional sides, then I know my triangles are similar.
Why are you doing this?
Magic.
Wait, are you videotaping us right now? Hello.
Can you smell us?
This is Robert Gardner. Come from the CHS.
You go to your
Can you talk about trick treating?
I want to be a ghost with a light sheet.
Not that you can't do it, it's that I asked you. I know.
Did you make that?
Cameron, am I talking to you?
Be like,
What the world, bro?
I swear to God.
I swear to
Oh my
God.
gosh, y'all calm down.
Swear to Bob. Swear to Bob.
Swear to Sally.
Swear to James.
All right, what does it mean to be proportional?
When
Ratios are equal.
Perfect, all right? If I'm proportional, my corresponding sides have the same ratio. So do I care about my angles at all?
No.
No.
yeah.
But if I have 3 pairs of sides that are proportional, what do you know about your angles? Good. All right, so if SSS happens, then I know I have similar figures. Are we okay? All right, I got this down? All right. So let's look at an example.
Wait, for real, how are you doing that?
She has a remote thing.
Yeah, get out of the note.
Sides.
Oh, that's what's doing it?
Real talk.
Now are you changing the slides?
I already need it. Copy down.
At school, I don't get I didn't eat sweets.
Oh, so it gave you the code.
Nah, that's that. I'm bothering now.
We have to draw the triangle.
Yes, you have to draw the triangles.
So,
You're going to have something just like this in your homework.
really?
Yes.
Tonight?
I want to go to Halloween
Yes.
night.
No, you can do it Sunday.
I already got homework for biology.
I'm gonna eat
One character.
Focus, write this down.
Ow, so bit me. In my ear.
Y'all see that red?
No.
It's red next time.
Hell.
Not real.
Barely, but.
Yeah,
Barely.
That'll-
Yeah, girl.
Oh, not hell.
Hey, don't you gotta stay there.
Hey,
You know
what?
the numbers?
I gotta play this
I
one.
just ate barely. No.
I can see
I got
you.
it. Come
I
on.
got my contacts. I forgot.
Is that a
I
T?
left them in the car.
DEF, yes.
Shut up.
All right, shh, y'all stop.
You better get them.
All right, we got ABC,
Shit.
and I have 3, 4, 5. All right, I got DEF, and I got 3, 4, 4.
You have to write all 4 triangles?
Yeah.
Sorry.
3, 4, 4.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Yes, copy down all the triangles.
What is that?
3, 4, 4. Yes.
Cameron, shut up.
All right, listen. If you're not answering my questions, you're not talking. If you can't handle that, we're gonna start raising our hands.
Is that an 8 or 5?
Okay. Are you ready? You got Q,
I got it.
R, S, 8, 6, 10. Okay.
Still, shoot it. Right.
Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to compare my sides. What do I want my sides to be? Proportional. So I want to make ratios, and I want my ratios to simplify to the same thing. So, I'm going to start with my shortest side, then my longest sides, and then my remaining sides. All right, what are my shortest sides of my triangle ABC? 3, which is AB, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's my shortest side of DEF? DE, which is also 3. So I'm going to take AB and I'm going to put it over DE.
Oh, I see how you doing it.
You said you gonna do what?
I'm going to take AB, my shortest side, and I'm going to put it over DE, my shortest side. And then I plugged in the numbers.
This thing does not like you. It's okay though. You got me.
All right, what's 3 over 3 simplify to? Good, we're okay? All right, now let's look at my longest side. You okay? Okay. All right, what's my longest side of triangle ABC?
BC.
BC. Right here, right? We're okay with that? And I'm going to put that over what?
BC over
EF.
All right, I'm going to use EF too. Good. Does it matter if I use EF or DF?
No.
No, why?
Because they're the same.
Good. All right. But I'm going to use BC and EF, and I get 5 over 4. Can I simplify that? No. So what do you notice about your triangles right now? They're not similar because my sides are not proportional. Let's go ahead and look at my remaining side, though, just to get in the habit. What's my remaining side of triangle ABC? My middle length. AC, good. And I'm going to put that over DF. All right. Ooh, I'm sorry. So we already noticed it, but do I have all the same ratios? Do I have all the same thing? No. So we do not have similar triangles. We're okay with that?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay. I'm going to give you all a second so everyone else is catching up. You try the right side
Right side.
and then see if you can get it. Remaining.
No, I say no. What?
Dosari? Don't write that.
Say no.
Oh, no. Are the triangles similar? No. Because you see how I got a 1, a 5 over 4, and a 1? They did not all simplify the same thing, so my sides are not proportional. So I do not have similar triangles. That looks really good. Perfect.
So the shortest, that's gonna come out in 1/2.
Good, Shmar. Good.
I think those are triangles similar. All the skin factors are the same.
what does that say? 3/6? It said AC over BC. Is that what you have? What'd you write? Okay, now AC, is that your biggest, longest, or middle side? What's the length of AC?
Oh, so you go by the length?
Don't go by the picture, go by the number. Yeah, do that. Good, what does that simplify to? What does that simplify to? So do the third one, see if it's the same thing. Good, no, that looks really good. Alright, so when we're looking at ABC, what's your smallest number? Alright, so that's your shortest side of that triangle. Look at the number, don't look at the side length.
I did it and look at my dog.
I don't want to see that. What'd you get?
1/2, 5.
What's your middle length over here? Oh, you're right. What's my middle length over here? Oh. You had BC right, but you plugged it in wrong. What's the length of BC? See, you know what you're doing, though. Alright, let's see what we got. What's my shortest side of ABC? AB, good. Alright, what am I going to put AB over? Good, alright. So I get AB over RS, which is 3/6, which equals 1/2. How many of you got that right? If you didn't get it right, do you see why? Alright, what did you do? You got it right? Okay.
So what we supposed to keep finding out? Like,
Hold on.
if they the same.
If I get all the same numbers, then I have similar figures. For all three sides.
Second G.
Listen, if I give you 5, what are you going to do? How many of you have done that?
Slap it.
Listen, if I put my hand up, y'all got to give me your eyeballs.
Oh, ant means it's right too. Doesn't
Okay.
it?
Now, what do we get for our longest side? What's my longest side of triangle ABC? AC. What's my longest side of QRS? QR. All right, so when I put those over each other, what does that simplify to? 1/2. All right, take your remaining sides. How do you know what goes up top? Good. The one I started with first was ABC, so ABC's got to go up top. So I'm going to put BC over QS, which is 4/8, which simplifies to 1/2. What do you notice about all three ratios? They're all 1/2. So what do I know about my triangles? Good. Are we okay? Do you have any questions? All right. Next one. I don't know. I'll figure it out in an hour. I should go trick or treat.
You dress up as a little kid.
Copies down. All right. If you can't see it, we got ABC. All right. We got ABC and we got DEF. We're done writing down those triangles. I'll tell you what the side lengths are.
Oh, okay. Hey, Lisa, close that I'm blind.
Alright, we need some kind of lighting. No, you can leave it open. Find the value of x. That makes triangle ABC. Listen, this is my question. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Do you have your triangles drawn?
Dude, no, that was like.
Just how you did the video. And I was
You have your triangles drawn?
No,
Is it 2 for x and x plus 1?
That's 20.
Don't worry about me. I'm just playing.
Here, I'll go over it.
I like it.
No.
Does that make it better? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, between E and F on the second triangle. Is that
2 parentheses, X plus 1 parentheses.
Alright, I know. It's a close one.
That's why your work be so perfect when you do the video.
Yeah, I wonder.
I don't use stencils.
She used the.
I mean
I
that.
just added down before I talk. Alright. So those are my triangles. Here this says triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Alright, and we want to find X. Does that make it better? Alright, do we have this down? Alright, I want my triangles to be similar, so what do I want to happen? I want SSS to happen, meaning I want all my sides to be proportional. I want my ratios to be equal. Are we okay? Alright, what are my two corresponding sides that are both known?
A, B, and D, E. Right?
Good. And I know A, B, and D, E are in the same spot, so are they corresponding? Yes. Alright, so I'm going to start with A, B over D, E. All it says is I want all my sides to be proportional, okay? So I start with A, B over D, E. Oops. Alright, what side do you want to find first? Well, actually I can't. We're going to find AC first. Let's find X first, okay, this X.
Okay.
Alright, I put AB up top.
What they say, one.
AB over DE.
You say what? One?
I want all sides proportional. Alright, so I'm going to start with AB over DE. Is that like super small for y'all?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So I'll just do it with y'all.
That's all right.
Alright, I'm going to start with AB over DE. Alright, if I'm looking,
You're gay for saying he's gay.
stop. If I'm looking at AC, AC is going to go with the triangle that it's part of. So am I going to put it on the top or bottom? Good. What side is corresponding to AC? AC and DF. Good. Now plug in what you know.
That says DF.
DF, yeah. What's my side length, AB?
27.
27. What's DE?
18.
Good. All right. What is AC?
8x plus 1.
What is DF?
2x plus 2.
DF. D as in dog. All right. Before I solve this proportion, there's a few things I'm going to do. Does anyone know what's one of them? Before I cross multiply, though.
No,
I'm going to put 8x plus 1 in parentheses, and I'm going to simplify. What goes into 27 and 18? Bigger than 3. 9. 9 goes into 27 how many times? 9 goes into 18 how many times? Good. Now let's cross multiply. All right. When I have something like this, you're going to write it as 2 parentheses 8x plus 1. If you leave out your parentheses, you are likely to get it wrong. Because then you're going to say it's 16x plus 1, but I got to distribute that too. Do we understand?
so it's equal 66.
All right. Which equals 3 times 22. Are we okay? All right. How do I solve this equation? Good. I'm going to do my distributive property.
Which is 16x plus 2. And then equals 66. And then you're going to subtract.
Perfect.
And you get 64.
Good.
2x. And then you can
Good. All right. Are y'all with me right now, though? Let's pause for a second. All right. A lot of you are telling me my next step. What is it? All right. What's 66 minus 2? Good.
X is 4.
Good. When I divide by 16, I'm left with x equals 4.
Ain't no 2. Shut up.
You got this?
I got the top part.
Get down your proportions. You got to write them down.
I got it. Don't worry.
Make sure you got this down.
Don't worry. Be happy.
Listen, y'all are going to have to do this on this exit slip.
I know. So
All right, are we ready? I want you to try and find my second x.
X equals 4.
The other x? Or this one?
No, the
All right.
BC over
So,
EF.
good. Okay. So, I know we're going to end up doing BC and EF. All right. Give me two corresponding sides. I'm going to put on the other side of my proportion.
A, B, and DF.
Good. Let's just use AB and DF. Plug in what you know. What's BC?
BC is 15. EF is 2x.
I did.
AB is 27.
And DF is 18.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Simplify. What's 27 over 18?
3 over 1. 3 over 2.
Good. Cross multiply. Now, before I cross multiply this,
Let it be 6.
all right, before I cross multiply this, let's distribute this. I'm going to do this 2 in one step. All right, so I'm going to take 3, and I'm going to multiply it, and distribute that 2 out. What do I get inside?
2x plus 2.
I'm going to do that in a couple steps. All right, what I did, right here, to get here, I went ahead and distributed this 2. All right, if you distribute that, it's a 2. This is a 3. All right, so I get 2x plus 1, 2x. And then the plus 1 times 2 is 2x plus 2. You okay with that? All right, and then I cross multiply and I stuck a 3 on the outside. We're okay? Are we sure? Y'all sure?
6x plus 5.
All right, what's on my other side? What's 2 times 15?
2 times 15 is 30.
Good. All right, are you all with me?
Yep. And then you do 6x equals 24 because you minus the 6.
Good. I'm going to distribute first, though. All right. What's 3 times 2x?
6x plus
X plus 6 equals 30.
Good.
And then you
Subtract 6 from
to
both.
30 and you get 24. And then you divide 6 by
All right, y'all pause. Let's get everyone caught up. Let's get everyone caught up.
24.
You with me, Shamar? You good? Where you at? Purple? All right, that says 3 times. So 3 parentheses. You're right here. No, we're not done.
Thought it would.
Okay, can you see the yellow from back here? All right, divide by 6 on each side. What do I get for x?
4.
All right, y'all ready? You ready to move on?
Yeah.
Y'all stop. I I need it silent for what I'm about to say. Alright? If I went in and plugged in x here, alright, we get what? 24 plus 1 is 25? No, 32 plus 1 is 33. If we simplified 27 over 18, gave us what? Okay. Then when I plugged x in for AC, we had, what I say, 33 over 22? What goes into 33 and 22? 11. What's 33 divided by 11?
3 and 2.
Are my sides proportional? Yeah, because I had the same ratio. All right, what do you think my ratio would be if I plugged in 15 and x over here? 3 over 2. 33 over 22. All right, what do you think my scale factor is?
3 over 2.
3 over 2. Very good, because it's that common ratio. We're okay? All right, here's our next one. Ooh, sorry. That's going to keep going. All right, here's our other theorem. We got side angle side. All right, so it's just like, y'all got to copy this down. It's just like side angle side with our congruence. I'm looking at two sides of my included angle. My angles are congruent, but what are my sides? Proportional. That's okay. Copy this down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by comparing my sides. How do we compare our sides before? Alright, I'll help you out.
Thank you.
Let's start with my short sides. What's my short side of triangle ABC?
4.
4. So I'm going to take BC and I'm going to put it over my short side of CDE, which is good. What does that simplify to? 2/3. Good. What do you think I'm going to look at next? My long side. What's my long side of triangle ABC? 6, and I'm going to put it over what side of CDE? Good. Simplify. What's it simplify to? Good. What do you notice about your two sides? They are proportional. All right, now for side angle side to work, I need my angles to be congruent and included. What's my included angle in between these two sides? C. Now I have 4 angle C's. What angle C is it? How do I say that angle?
Angle C. Angle ABC.
ACB. And it's going to be congruent to what?
Angle
ECB.
Why? Do we see this X? What happens when two angles have an X? Vertical angles. Are we okay with that? Can y'all read that? Y'all can't read that, can you?
Why'd you put so?
All right, are we okay? So do you have two sides that are proportional?
Yeah.
Do you have included angles that are congruent? Yes, so what do we know about my triangles? They're similar. Now, I'm going to start by naming one of my triangles. I named it ABC. So, remember, your congruent parts have to be in the same spot. What angle? Well, I guess what side is corresponding to AB? DE. What side is corresponding to BC?
DC. Oh, C.
CE. What side is corresponding to AC?
AD. No, C.
CD. So I'm going to name that triangle ABC by triangle DEC. And then what theorem did we use?
SAS.
SAS. We're okay?
Y'all.
All right, make sure you got that down.
Hold on, let me get it.
Showing how bad we are. Did you write that? Creed, huh? Now I'll see what you're doing. I'll turn it into the principal, so see how bad we are. Yeah, I'm sick.
No, let's do this one.
No, let's do that one.
Oh, gosh, y'all can't see that, can you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see it. We can see it. Hey, don't go out your way. We can see this, Joe. Ew. Dang, it's going on out there. Oh.
It's hard to read.
What?
It's hard to read.
Oh, you put white on top.
Yeah. No, I can see with the red.
Yeah, okay.
Can we all see with the red?
Yeah.
I mean, I can erase it and redo it. Robert, copy this down. Sometimes it helps to draw the triangles separately on what we're looking at. So I have triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Are we okay with that?
Yes.
All right. I already labeled your 2 and 4. What's this whole side length AD?
3.
The whole side length is 3. And my whole side length of AE is 6. Good. Are we okay?
Yes.
All right. I got to figure out if my triangles are similar, and I got to figure out why. That explained right there. I'm looking for AA, SSS, or SAS. Are we okay with that?
Yeah.
All right. What do I know? What do I want to do with my sides? I want my sides to be proportional. I want my included angles to be what? Congruent. All right, let's look at something. That included angle here is A.
Angle A.
Is this the same angle A in both triangles? Yes. So I know angle A is congruent to angle A because? Reflexive. Good. Very good. Are we okay? It's not reflection, it's reflexive. Are we okay? All right, now let's take my corresponding sides. Let's start with AB. Is AB my short or small side?
It's short.
Or, I'm sorry, short or big side? Short. So I'm going to go to my short side of my other triangle. What is that? Good. And I get 2 over 3. Can I simplify that? No, so I'm good right now. Good. So what's my big side of both triangles? 4 and 6. Is 4 going to go on top or bottom? Why?
No, because on the same side as
Same side as A, or same triangle as AB. It's my smaller triangle. All right, so I'm going to take AC over AE, and I get 4 over 6. Simplify. You get 2/3. Good. So I have an included congruent pair of angles. And what do you know about your two sides? What's a different word than similar? Proportional. So what do you know about triangle ABC and ADE? They are similar, and what theorem are we using? SAS. All right, so we're okay? Any questions? All right.